Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In front of me I have Maimo Watch R, and today I'm going to show you how to set a custom watch face on this watch. Basically, if you want to use your own image or a picture as a watch face. So let's get started. So if you want to use a custom watch face on your watch, one thing to mention before we continue is that your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Maimo Fit application for this to work. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue and we can open the Maimo Fit application on the phone that is paired with our watch. And once you open the app, you should see homepage. Now tap on device icon right here. And on this page, you should see your Maimo Watch R. Under it, you will see this watch face category. Tap on this arrow right here in the corner to open the watch face page. And on it, you will see at the top different pages or categories. We have local, online, and custom. We are interested in custom one. And here we have three options. We have album, so basically you can take a picture or pick a picture from your phone and use it as a watch face. Then we have fan art, so you can use the picture or pick the picture and then kinda edit it, which is kinda nice. Not many watches do this stuff. And then we have different outfits, so basically you can customize some other watch face with other styles. So the album one, like I said before, you just put a picture on your watch face. So if you just want to see a picture on your watch face, you can add a picture. As you can see, you have take photo or album. Take photo allows you to take a photo and use it as a watch face, and album opens the photo app and you can pick a photo from your phone. And if you pick it, crop it, because the whole picture won't fit on the watch face, so you need to select a part of the picture. You can zoom in, zoom out, move left, right, tap bottom, and then we have a picture, as you can see, and you can customize it a bit further by selecting the type of the clock, maybe something like this, or maybe this, and then you can tap on upload and use, and it will basically be uploaded, and once it's done, it will be applied on your watch. This might take a while, so I'm gonna come back to you once it's done. Okay, it's done uploading, and now if I wake up the screen, I have my watch face. For some reason, as you can see, the previous photo is also here, so I have two photos. I forgot to mention that you can have up to 7 photos uploaded, and when you tap on the current watch face, it basically cycles between them. You can also remove them if you want to have only one, so that's not a problem. Okay, let's go back. And now let's check out the fan art and outfit. Fan art, like I said before, it allows you to apply some interesting filters on your watch face, which could be nice. So let's wait until it's done loading. Now we can, as you can see, we have pre-existing photos already. You can remove them if you want to, but if you don't care, you can just add your own photo. Again, you can take a picture or use the album. I'm gonna use the album again, pick the same picture, but now we're gonna spice it up a bit. So we can select this part. And as you can see, here we have the list of styles, and we can download them and use them. There's quite a few of them. So find the style you enjoy. On the camera, they're not very visible. So the best option probably will be just download them all and test them out. But I have one downloaded right here. I can apply it. And as you can see, it applied kinda different filter. It looks kinda unique. And now we can also select the type of the clock, apply it, upload and use. And of course, it's gonna take a while, so I'm gonna wait until it's done and gonna come back to you once it is. Oh, something went wrong. Interesting. Let me try again. Maybe, yeah, the watch disconnected from our phone for some reason. Let's try reconnecting it. Let's see what's the problem. It should be connected. Oh, now it's connecting. So you can go back to custom, fan art. I wonder if it remembered our setup. It didn't. Okay, so I'm gonna use the same setup. So I'm gonna add the photo, apply the filter, upload it, and I'm gonna come back to you once it's done. Okay, and it's done uploading now. This time it went without problems. And here we have our kinda unique watch face. It kinda looks cool in my opinion. And you can play with it and find your best, the style you like the most. Okay, and the last part is last option is the outfit. And here you can, I believe, just create some, I don't know actually what it is. Let's see. We can add our own photo apparently. So let's add it. The same photo as well. Okay. And I guess that's what it does. Basically, it takes a picture and then picks the color scheme and gives you like different shapes you can use as a watch face from the color scheme you uploaded, basically. And then you can apply it as well if you want to. Which will also take a while, so I'm gonna come back to you once it's done. Okay, it's done uploading, and that's how it looks like on the watch. And basically that's how you set a custom watch face on this watch. Actually, this watch has a lot more customization than most of them. So it's quite nice, actually. So I recommend to check all of the options, find whatever you like, and use it to spice your watch up a bit, make it more pleasing to look at. So, if you found this video any helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.